interesting to meet all the other filmmakers from around the world and Europe. I thought it was very insightful to just see how different people from like different cultures and countries have like a different approach to filmmaking, and just to connect with other creative people, hang out and talk and even make stuff together was very, very interesting, I thought.
The workshop's been great. I've learned a lot, and it's been great to meet other filmmakers. I think the most fun thing was when we got to do our own movie and teaming up with the other filmmakers in the workshop and got to see how they work. I think you should try this talent camp. From the beginning to the end, it's been just a lot of learning and socializing.